Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some really exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts out there, especially if you're into Ubuntu and real-time applications. Canonical, the folks behind Ubuntu, have just announced something major. Yep, we're talking about the general availability of an enterprise-grade real-time Ubuntu kernel for their Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, also known as Noble Numbat. So, what exactly is this real-time kernel all about, and why should we care? Well, this kernel is designed specifically for enterprises working in sectors like aerospace, automotive, defense, IoT, robotics, telcos, the public sector, and even retail. It's a high-performance, low-latency kernel meant to handle the most demanding and critical workloads, and those time-sensitive applications that need to run super smoothly without any hiccups. Now, this real-time kernel for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS is based on the upstream Linux 6.8 kernel, and it integrates the preempt_RT patch on AMD 64 and ARM 64 architectures. And for all the Raspberry Pi fans out there, this includes optimized support for Raspberry Pi single-board computers, delivering enhanced performance and compatibility. That's right, it's specially optimized and tested for Raspberry Pi 4 and Raspberry Pi 5. Canonical, in their announcement, said, and I quote, "With time-bound responses for mission-critical latency requirements, real-time Ubuntu 24.04 LTS provides deterministic processing to the most demanding workloads across industries, from manufacturing and automotive to the critical infrastructure of telco operators." So what makes this real-time kernel different? It's all about those out-of-tree preempt_RT patches. These patches make the real-time Ubuntu kernel more preemptive than the mainline Linux kernel by using a real-time scheduling class that has a higher priority over the completely fair scheduler, CFS. This means, your system can handle real-time tasks with much lower latency, ensuring that those critical operations are given priority and executed in a timely manner. Now, if you're thinking about getting your hands on this real-time kernel for Ubuntu 24.04, there's a catch. It's only available with an Ubuntu Pro subscription. The good news? It's free for personal and small-scale commercial use for up to 5 machines. Canonical also promises a 12-year commitment of security maintenance and support for this real-time kernel, which is pretty awesome. For those eager to get started, make sure to check out the official documentation for the real-time kernel. But a heads up for NVIDIA GPU users, the real-time Ubuntu kernel doesn't support the proprietary NVIDIA graphics drivers. So if you rely on those drivers, you might need to reconsider or look for alternatives. So that's the scoop on the new real-time Ubuntu kernel for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Whether you're into robotics, working on critical infrastructure, or just a Raspberry Pi enthusiast like me, this is a significant update that promises to boost performance and reliability for your time-sensitive applications. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.